Alright, in this video we'll be showing you how to solve a system of equations using the sharp right view EL-W516X. This video is presented to you by Tristan
and Michael.
Alright, to begin what you want to do is turn your calculator on. Now from this point we're in the normal mode and we want to go to the equation mode. To get that we push the mode button right here and we scroll down. You'll see over here equation. To access it, we'll be pushing 6, and then we'll have four selections, four different equations that we can solve. We can either solve the 2-value, 3-value, quadratic, or cubic. For this presentation, we'll be solving the 2-value. To access it, we'll be clicking 0. And at this point, we'll be able to input the two system of equations that we have written on the left. The A1 represents the first line, and the A2, which we'll see in the future, will represent the second line. To input it, simply push 9 and enter or equals. To enter the -2, we do -2, and to enter this, we do -21. Alright, now that it has a 2 right beside the numbers, this indicates the second line, or second equation. To input it, we'll simply do 2, 3, we push 3 and click enter, and for the last one, 16, we do 16 and click enter. Alright, after clicking enter on the last one, the calculator will give us the components for the x and y. In this case, the x is -1 and the y is 6. Now, to validate this, we'll plug it into the x and y components on the equations, both of them to be specific. Now, if the x is -1 and the y is 6, the x over here, this coefficient will become -9 minus -12. Sorry. And so -9 minus -12, when you add them together, it does in fact become -21. Now, to do this again for the second one, using the x is -1 and the y is 6, it'll be -2 plus 18. Now, if you subtract 2 from 18, it does in fact give you a positive 16, as shown here. So, now that we validated it, we can now clearly say that the solving for system of equation using this particular calculator will in fact give you the correct results. Thank you for listening to our presentation.